Hi, I'm Abhishek Patel. I'm currently working as a game developer. So my journey in game developer truly started at the Code and Game Academy. That's where I got the right guidance and hands-on experience and my mentorship that really changed things for me. So before joining the academy, I was passionate about the game, but I had no idea where to start and turned that interest into the real career. So I so under the expert and training with Mahesh Gurjar, which is currently mentor in the code and game academy. So I learned C sharp and Unity and got the work and several 2D and 3D game project. So what really set this academy apart, this practical approach. We don't just focus on the theory, but actually we build games step by step, and which makes a huge difference. So by the time I complete the course, and I was ready to jump into the real market. So today I'm living with my dream as in a as in a game developer. If you're really serious about the game, getting into the development, I highly recommend it to visit the game and code and gaming academy. It really worked for me, and it can definitely work for you as well. Yeah, thank you.